Episodio 4, disfrazado de cordero. Ok chicos, antes de empezar este capítulo les quiero comentar que obviamente The Wolf Among Us es un, como ustedes saben, no es una serie que a muchos en mi canal les encante, pero hay un gran porcentaje de personas que sí quieren que termine de jugar esta serie. Así que por favor, si no estás muy contento de que sube este video ahora, simplemente di, ops, ok, Germán subió un video que no me gusta de The Wolf Among Us, voy a seguir viendo uno de los tantos 50 videos que subo a la semana. Así que no estén peleando en los comentarios de que, este video no me gusta a mí o este video sí me gusta. Da lo mismo, ¿ok? Yo estoy subiendo este video porque hay personas que sí quieren que termine la serie. Y la verdad yo también quiero terminarla. Y si tú eres una de las personas que dice, no quiero que juegues esta serie, simplemente no la veas y veo uno de los tantos videos que subo aparte de este video. O sea, es una serie de tantas series que subo, así que no hay problema, chicos. O sea, si no les gusta, simplemente no la vean. Y la estoy subiendo por respeto a las demás personas que sí quieren que la siga subiendo. Y también ustedes respetan a las demás personas, que todos tenemos gustos diferentes, ¿ok, chicos? Así que vamos a seguir con The Wolf Among Us.
Hi, Sheriff.
Zap. Por cierto, voy a hacer este capítulo lo más largo que pueda. Así que si están empezando a ver este capítulo, vayan a buscar palomitas e instálense, porque se viene largo esto, se viene largo. Fábulas. Ok. Silencio incómodo.
Are you okay? You didn't look good last night. I wasn't sure.
He estado mejor, sinceramente.
Let's just say I've been better.
Ok. FBI.
Huff and Puffs. Not many people smoke those.
Ok. ¿Fumo marcas baratas de cigarro o algo así? ¿Eso es malo o qué? A ver, ¿qué quería Crane contigo?
Thanks.
So what was that back there with Crane? He wanted you to tell me something. You know, it's not too late to talk.
Maybe.
There's not a lot that I can talk about. You know that.
So that spell Crane was trying to break. It's not just while you're at work, huh?
What I mean is, I don't want to waste your time, but I don't want you wasting your own time either.
Okay.
Back in the dressing room, at the pudding and pie, I told you what I was looking for, and you found a way to tell me. You sent me to the open arms. Maybe that'll work again?
You can try. I just... Go ahead. It might work.
Crane wasn't the murderer. The open arms was a setup.
Mm-hmm.
You sent me there. Was there someone else you wanted me to find there?
These lips are sealed.
Oh,
If I could
algo
answer you
esconde.
just like that, I wouldn't have had to make that appointment with you.
No, I guess not.
Algo está escondiendo la señorita.
We have to find our way through life on our own, grasping and fumbling in the dark.
Pablo Neruda.
I used to have friends to help me find my way, but now they're gone, and I don't know what to do.
Oh.
Are you trying to say something about Faith and Lily?
Maybe.
What I'm saying is friends matter, and I don't have any left.
Forever alone.
So I hope you're looking after yours. Are
Yo
you?
vigilo a todos.
It's my job to look out for people, and not just my friends.
Ajá.
I'm sorry. I thought I could do this. I
Pero-
need you to know I want to help, but
Tus labios
But
están
your
sellados.
lips are sealed.
Estas conversaciones súper mega lentas que tiene el
sorry
juego.
if I'm wasting your time. I thought I knew how to say it.
Ribbons. Faith wore one too.
Do you like it? Do you?
Estoy intentando ayudarte. O sea, ¿qué carajo?
Trying to help, I just don't know what I can do. That's why you can't tell me anything. It's the ribbon, isn't it?
¿Por qué está botando vapor de su boca? Ah, estaba fumando, ¿verdad? Soy idiota. Quitar lazo, sí, quitar lazo, ¿no? Sí, quitar lazo.
You mind if I just...
No!
Oh, ok. Perdón.
You can't. Just stay back.
Perdón.
You can't do that.
Slow down. It's all right. I'm not gonna do anything.
Otra vez, perdón.
Please, don't.
Ok, nota mental, no quitarle el lazo a la tipa. Nunca más.
Okay. I get it. So the ribbons, if you take them off...
Consolarla. Ya, todo va a estar bien, no te preocupes. Perdón. Lo que no estoy entendiendo es qué pasa si le quita el lazo. ¿Se muere?
If anyone finds out I came here...
Uh-oh.
That's probably snow.
Listen, Sheriff. Can you keep this conversation between us? I
Nope.
could be in a lot of trouble. I shouldn't be talking to you.
¿A qué le tienes miedo,
What
de
are you
hecho?
worried about?
Just please don't say anything.
Dime alguna pista, mujer, por Dios. Todo es un misterio en este juego. Tengo un secreto, pero no te lo puedo
Sorry,
decir.
I just need to talk to the sheriff for a moment. Please excuse us.
1 minute.
I might have a new lead for you, but I don't know how solid it is. Beauty and Beast called the office just now. They said they wanted to talk to you about something. I wonder if they've heard about Crane.
Thank you for listening, Sheriff. You should go on to your next business. I don't think you'll be wasting your time.
Wait, you don't have to go. That was abrupt.
Hey.
One way to send a message.
What did she tell you? I didn't mean to rush her out. Did you get anything from her?
El hechizo le impida... ¡Ah! No alcancé a cliquear. Demonios, estaba leyendo.
Okay then. Good work.
De nada.
So, about Beauty and Beast, do you think there's something to it? Is this the right place to look? What could they know about the Crooked Man? Or do you think they just heard about last night, and they're
Vale la
scared
pena echar un
about
vistazo.
what's been going
Ajá,
on?
sí.
Even if there isn't much to it, it's still our best lead. It's worth looking into.
Vamos.
You know, Beauty came to me a while back. She
Okay.
was looking for financial assistance. I told her there was nothing I could do, and she said that meant she'd have to go somewhere else.
¿Cómo dónde? ¿Por...? ¿Ok?
Bigby, you don't think she meant that she was going to go to the Crooked Man, do you?
That would explain why they called.
We need to solve this before something else happens. Who knows what?
Pensé que iba a haber algo en el
I
ascensor.
have other matters to attend to.
No es por nada, pero estoy empezando a sospechar de Snow. O sea, no quiero ser como paranoico ni nada, pero está como raro, ¿no? Oh, se estuvo pegando el juego. Apartamento de la Bella y la Bestia, al mediodía, ¿ok?
You didn't want to tell me what you were into either.
Good reason. Look what happened.
So that's back on me.
A ver, vamos a ver. Golpeemos
I thought
mejor.
we agreed that was
¡Hello!
Oh,
¿Qué pasa?
what do you want? Well, you're just going around knocking on doors?
You called, right? Or, was it Beauty?
Why would I call you?
It's
Listen, I've had a shitty
You
night,
think you're the only one?
and I really don't want to deal with the runaround. Snow said you called and wanted to talk to me.
Well, I didn't call. Must have been Beauty. She's been surprising me a lot lately.
Okay.
So have you, Bigby. Yet, with all the sneaking around and secrets, somehow I'm still the bad guy in this. I've had to hear about it all night long from her.
Who is it?
Santa Claus.
There.
A un lado.
I'm coming in. So, let's not get into busting down doors today, all right?
Ah, me cerró. Ah,
It's
miedo,
your
puro
pal,
miedo.
Bigby.
Hi, Bigby. Please excuse us for just a minute. Can I talk to you in private?
Yes, let's.
Ah, ¿y yo qué? ¿Qué van a hacer ahí?
I guess I really do have the smallest apartment in the woodlands.
¿Y qué me dejaron hablando solo acá? Digo, ¿solo? Ok, no los voy a interrumpir porque probablemente estén haciendo ñaca ñaca. Vamos a revisar un poquito el apartamento
Not after the way he
para aprovechar que estamos acá.
And then
Ok.
you can call him again?
Well, I trust
Están
him.
Of
hablando.
course you do. He was keeping
Es el
secrets.
cuadro de la Bella y la Bestia. A veces como que me cuesta recordar que es un cuadro de... O sea,
Talk
que
about
es...
living in
Wanna
the
keep
past.
writing about that?
Que son la historia de la Bella y la Bestia y todos esos cuentos
All
típicos de
I'm saying
niños.
is we can handle
Ok,
this
hay
on our
acá.
own. You didn't have to bring him here.
We're out of money and answers.
Hay una puerta secreta detrás del armario. Hay una puerta secreta.
We'll
Lo
finish
sé.
this later.
Lo presiento.
We need
Ok,
to
¿qué hay
talk
acá?
to Bigby.
Fine. If you want to talk, we'll talk.
Yo que tú no haría eso, Bigby. Yo que tú no lo haría. Ay, ¿qué? ¿Me tengo que sentar acá como idiota? No voy a golpear la puerta, ¿o no? Vamos allá. ¿Qué pasa?
Sorry, it's been a long night.
Yeah, you know what they say. Centuries of marriage come with centuries of baggage.
¿Quién
I
dice
gotta
eso?
say, your place, it looks, expensive.
What do you mean by that?
Beast!
No, really, I want to know. What are you trying to say?
¿No estaban en deuda?
Did you come to give us decorating tips?
I thought you were having money problems, but it doesn't look like you're suffering to me. Snow told me you went to her for some financial help. Did you end up going to the Crooked Man?
I didn't know what else to do,
We
so
should deal with this on our own. Bigby's just going to complicate
I
things.
called him here, and I want to see if he can help us out. Why are
Ok.
you being like this?
I'm just trying
Quiero
to do
ayudarlos.
what's best for us.
I'd like to help you, but I can't do anything if you don't tell me what's going on.
I gotta know one thing first. What if we did have something to say about the Crooked Man? What if we talk and you don't get it? And all this comes back on us? We'd be risking a lot. We've seen what happens when you cross.
Si son honestos, los protegeré.
I don't
Hay
know
personas...
if it's worth
No.
it if you can't give us certain.
Ustedes podrían ser los próximos.
We're
Eso creo que los va a
just
asustar
looking for a
bastante,
little
¿no?
peace of mind in this.
You are in danger. You two need to cooperate so I can get the Crooked Man off the street. You don't want to be next. But if you'd rather deal with this on your own,
No, please don't.
then tell me what the fuck is going on.
Bitch!
So much debt? Look around you. This isn't the way people short on cash live.
Look, we're used to a certain kind of lifestyle, okay? We couldn't just give that
We
up.
never meant for it to get like this. It's just that we had nowhere else to turn, and we got in over our heads.
There's not a lot of work out there. Who would we be if we just lived like...
¿Normales? Oh, ¿quién es? Oh, ¿quién será?
Hi there, you've reached Beauty.
And Beast.
And we're out doing something fabulous.
Let me just,
A day at the beach?
Skiing the slopes.
Hey, we're not done
And we
yet.
can't come
I
to
should-
the phone right now, so leave a message at the beep and we'll get back to you as soon as...
The fuck?
Humanly possible. Beep! That fucking message. I'm gonna come down there and bash your heads in with that machine if I have to call again and hear that fucking message one more time. I've been doing this long enough to know that if you had the cash, you'd have paid by now. So consider yourselves out of warnings. It's time to start thinking about how else you can settle.
Atender el teléfono.
The Crooked Man's gonna get his, one
fuck
way or
this.
another.
Shit.
Ah, fuck.
All I care about is, how can I find the Crooked Man? Who do I talk to? Where do I go?
The Lucky Pawn. That's where I borrowed the money. The Crooked Man's behind that place. I'd overheard people talking to Jersey about loans before. So, when I needed money, that's where I went.
Did you ever see the Crooked Man there? When you got your loan? Or just shopping?
No, never. But come on, it's his place. And the Jersey Devil never lets you forget it.
¿Quién es ese
I
Jersey?
can see now that it was a mistake, but I'm not the only one who goes there, you know. I saw the woodsman's axe there just the other day.
What?
It was in a display case.
I guess he's hit hard times too. There's a lot of that going around.
Look, you don't have to explain yourself to me. But I'm not going there for a shopping trip. This is murder and kidnapping we're talking about. And if the axe was there, so were the people behind all this. Anything else is just background noise.
De hecho.
Maybe if you go there, you can sort some things out.
Ok, quiere que vaya para allá
So I'll go
definitivamente
check
la
out the
tipa.
Lucky Pawn. If I can't track down the Crooked Man there, maybe I can make enough noise that the Crooked Man will come find me.
Hold on, Bigby. Don't go there. Sounds like you're just going to get Beauty in trouble. And
¿Y?
you know that butcher shop, the cut above? It's the place on Tubman Street. Same block as the baker and the candlestick maker. Well, I've been delivering packages from there for a while. The thing is, it's for the Crooked Man. And I don't think it's meat in the packages. You gotta understand, I needed work.
You have to believe us. We didn't think it would get like this.
Listen to me very carefully. Did you ever deliver to the Crooked Man? Can you give me an address?
No. I delivered to places all over town, but never to the man himself. It never seems to be heading to the same place, but it always comes out of the butcher shop.
How did you get involved with this?
Johann the butcher called. He had a problem with the refrigeration unit one night. But when I finished, it was your pal Mary who showed up to pay me. She said I was reliable. She liked that. And it's the only thing I've been able to pick up, and it's still not enough.
It's Mary you deal with? Bloody Mary is there?
No, Johann is the one who hands over the packages, day to day. But I've
Hey, no
seen
estoy
her
entendiendo casi
around.
nada.
She gets under my skin, I try to avoid her. But I don't need to tell you what she's
You're
like.
damn right you don't. I don't need a rundown on her reputation. If Mary works out of there, I need to look into it.
Me rompió el brazo. O sea, eso no es bueno.
I just wanted to provide for Beauty. Give her the kind of life she deserves.
¿Qué cucharitas de oro?
We
Idiota.
shouldn't have to live like this. Scraping to get by.
None of us should. We were royalty once. We were accustomed to a certain lifestyle. All we want is to make this place feel a little bit like home. You wouldn't understand, Bigby.
Váyanse a la mierda. No.
I don't need to understand. It's not my fucking job to understand. My job is to keep Fabletown safe.
So, where are you going?
A la
If this all
carnicería.
goes sideways, I'd like to know where it's coming from.
Ok. Ah, tengo que decidir, ok. Ok, chicos, esta es la parte en que hay que decidir. ¿Vamos a la casa de empeño o a la carnicería? Yo digo que la carnicería. No sé ustedes. Bueno, no hay forma en que puedan votar porque voy a seguir haciendo este video. Vamos a la carnicería, ok.
I want to know what the Crooked Man is hiding at that butcher shop.
Ajá.
You know, Bigby, once you show up there, word is gonna spread. There may be nothing left for you to see if you go to the Lucky Pawn after.
Well,
Ah,
guess
ahora me
I'll
dicen
find
eso.
out.
Odio elegir.
Wait.
Apuesto que alguien
I
va a
don't
morir
know
por
what you're
esa
planning to do when
decisión.
you find the Crooked Man, but is there any way you could help us out?
Ok.
What do you mean?
Well, maybe you can make this all just go away.
We would really appreciate it. What do you say?
Carajo están hablando.
Can you help us out?
You're asking me to kill him, aren't you? Is that what you think I do?
No, of course not.
I don't know how you'd get that idea. We know that the Crooked Man is dangerous to all of Fabletown.
I'm gonna do my job. Lucky for you, that might just solve your problems anyway.
Oh, thank you, Bigby.
I'm sure you'll do the right thing.
O sea, me dicen, podrías solucionar el problema. Pero yo no te he dicho que lo mates. Ah, yo no he dicho eso, yo no he dicho eso. Tú lo dijiste, pero soluciona nuestros problemas. What the fuck? No se puede fumar. ¿Y a mí qué carajo me importa? Dejar de fumar, seguir fumando. Dejar de fumar, ok. ¿Por qué eso es relevante en la historia? No entiendo. ¿Por qué me hacen tomar esas decisiones? Ok. ¿Qué podemos hacer acá? Tocar el timbre, ¿no? Entremos. Al carajo la privacidad de la gente. Ups.
Bigby Wolf? Well, welcome, Sheriff. What can I get for you? You interested in a particular cut?
Magia.
Let's see. What do we have in stock? Let's see what we got here.
No quiero
Fine
carne,
steak
caballero.
on special. New York strip. I can have some wild boar in tomorrow if you like.
I know Bloody Mary hangs around here. I want to talk to her.
I don't know what you mean. What you see is what you get. Just
no te creo
meat.
mucho.
You don't find anything else. We just, we do more wholesale and meat packing than walk-up service. I'd like to help you. Really, I would. But there's
No juegas conmigo.
nothing here.
You better stop fucking around, Butcher.
I'm not. I am not fucking around.
I can tell just by looking at it that your meat ain't selling. If you're lying to me, I'm gonna find out.
Sheriff, Did you hear that?
¿Qué?
What?
Oh, I'm real sorry. Hold on. I just gotta go check on that. Don't go
No confío en
anywhere.
este
I'll be
tipo.
right back.
No,
Butcher,
no
I
confío en
just
este
have
tipo
to
para
go
nada.
see.
Apretó un botón antes de irse, ¿no? Ok, yo voy a ver qué carajo el tipo. Sí apretó un botón antes de irse. Ese botón rojo.
Shit.
Vale. Oh, what? Pensé que eran tipos. Oh, fuck me. Oh, esto no me gusta nada.
I got it covered back here, Sheriff. I'll be right out.
Oh. What the fuck?
Just wait out front. Right there. I've got a bit of a mess back here.
¿Por qué habla si no se le escucha nada?
Relax, Johan. I just want to talk.
Va a aparecer algo que me va a asustar, estoy seguro.
I'm sorry, Sheriff, but you're not supposed to be back here for safety purposes.
No te creo un carajo. Sinceramente. No te creo nada, tipo.
Damn it.
¿Qué está pasando ahí?
I'm just doing my job, Johan. What the fuck are you doing?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. They're gonna kill me. Oh God, she is gonna fucking kill me.
The fuck, ¿qué está haciendo ese tipo?
He's gonna get me killed. Huh?
How you doing?
Please, Bigby. Please don't.
Bigby. What happened to Sheriff?
Please don't kill me, Sheriff.
¿Pero por qué? ¿Qué está haciendo?
Please.
Golpearlo,
Please don't kill me.
If you don't talk, I might have to do just that. Is that what you want, Johan?
No, please. You don't have to do that. I'm dead. Either way, they said to me, Johan, you can keep your life and lose your shop, or lose both. What would you do? It was a simple choice to make in the moment.
Voy a ver.
Just open the door, Johan. It won't be your problem anymore.
I can't.
Why not? What's
Carajo,
back
hay ahí, no
there?
entiendo.
I don't know. Honest. I've never been back there. It's locked from the other side. Look, I just worked the front. That's all I'm supposed to do.
Well, who locked the fucking door?
I'm not part of their crew. I don't know who or what goes on back there.
Crew.
The Crooked Man's people. Jersey Devil, D and Dumb, and that mental case Bloody Mary. You want to talk about the real butcher? It's her, not me. This is her place. I'm telling you, they muscled in on me. Took over my storage and delivery a long
He escuchado
time.
suficiente, ya está divagando el tipo.
That heat wave.
That's enough, Johan. I've heard all I need to.
I'm just a victim in this. I don't know what they do back there.
Ah,
I
okay.
swear. And I don't want
Ya lo veremos.
Well, we're about to see what's back there. And then we'll see if I believe you.
I knew this would happen.
Ok, tenemos
No way.
la opción de abrir la puerta o escuchar lo que hay detrás de la puerta.
Walk through my door, and I'd catch hell for. Shh.
No se oye como nada. ¿Qué hacemos? Ok, tenemos que abrir la puerta. 3, 2, 1. YOLO. Ok, no confío en esto, chicos. No confío nada en esto. Ok. ¿Qué es esto? ¿Es un laboratorio de meta o qué? Breaking Bad. Doc. Creo que están haciendo glamour pirata, ¿no?
What is this place?
I told you, Bigby. I don't know. They muscled me out. I swear I don't know anything more. I haven't been back here when it was like this.
Running lights.
It's business. It's all I've ever had. I guess that's why I stuck around when they took it.
Damn it. You can't act like you're forced into this and then turn around and help them. You'd still be here if you hadn't flipped that switch out there.
I had to. Huh. You come in here making trouble for me, but you only give a shit now because the crooked man stepped on your toes or something. Where were you when they took this place from me?
En mi casa, tomando té.
It hasn't been easy for me. You think I want to live with this at my back? I needed help.
You're not off the fucking hook yet, Butcher. If I find something, if I so much as smell something that makes me think you're lying.
Todavía no entiendo qué hacen ahí, o sea... Ah, lo sabía.
This is what Beast was delivering. Glamours, other kinds of magic. It'd be dangerous stuff.
O sea, es como glamour pirata o glamour... sí, básicamente como glamour clandestino o algo así.
Chains. Who's getting chained up here?
You can't think I'm the only one the crooked man has under his yoke.
Ok, aparentemente tenían a alguien obligado a trabajar ahí. Puede ser Crane. Puede ser. Ok, vamos a ver qué están haciendo aquí.
What are they making here?
I'm just a butcher. You want to talk T-bones? That I can do. This stuff is out of my league.
There are a lot of nasty spells you can make with the right equipment.
Ok, ¿qué más hay por acá? Tenemos tarros misteriosos. ¡Oh, por Dios!
These are raw materials for making magic. Anti-Greenleaf and any other rogue witches out there probably get their supplies here. Don't you see what's going on here?
Nope.
All these raw materials. Looks like he could process them into just about any kind of magic.
Oh.
He's got all he needs. The gear. Slave labor to work it. So these must be the orders.
Oh, ok.
He's got his hooks into everybody. It's pretty clear how.
Oh, yeah? How?
Doing it like this. It's bound to be cheaper than the 13th floor.
This is just horrible. Things that must have gone on here.
It's the pudding and pie girls with the ribbons. Whoever he's got in here in these chains, he's enslaving fables. My watch. People just don't know the real cost of getting something cheap.
You don't have to tell me.
Lo barato sale caro, chicos.
Fucker Crane knew all about it.
¿Por qué?
Yeah, what about Craig? If this all... I mean, if finding the crooked man is so fucking important, why don't you ask your boss?
Snow.
No, Crane. He said he knows where everybody is. I don't know how, but he's got some way.
espejo.
Right. It was that creepy magic mirror
Uh-huh.
with the big green head and all. Why don't you just use that? Find the crooked man that way. Leave me alone. Yeah, with stuff like that mirror, I'm surprised that you ever need to leave the office.
No le voy a decir toda la verdad, solo le voy a decir que está roto.
Anyone who gives you trouble.
Fucking broken. Crane shattered the mirror and made off with one of the pieces.
Igual le dijo.
Probably still has the shard with him.
Well, if they got their hands on an important magical item, there's only one place they'd take it.
¿Dónde?
The Lucky Pawn. They probably...
Ah, tenía que haber ido ahí primero entonces.
The Lucky Pawn. If I can find the mirror piece there, I can find the crooked man.
Hey, hold on. Well, I'm real happy you found what you're looking for, Bigby. What about me? Huh? Do you really think this is gonna be all right? All this stuff in here, I do know one thing. That's his icon, his symbol. What kind of a guy uses a torture device as his icon? The kind of guy who isn't gonna be understanding about Bigby Wolf showing himself in. So tell me this. What the hell am I supposed to do now? I'm gonna have to spend the rest of my short life looking over my shoulder for Bloody Mary.
Me encargaré de ellos.
That I held up my hand.
You won't have to worry, I'm gonna take him down.
Yeah, bitch.
Thank you, Sheriff.
Ok. No sé si hice mal con venir primero a la carnicería, porque de todas formas tengo que ir al otro lugar. Pero... no sé, tenía que arriesgarme de alguna forma, ¿no? Solo esperemos que no cambie demasiado la historia, o que no haya sido una decisión incorrecta. Esperemos que solo haya sido una decisión diferente. Ok. Carga más rápido. Lucky Pawn.
Jersey, don't give me that shit. What the fuck is the point of having a system if you're just gonna...
my fucking
Jack,
system.
what the fuck is going on?
But you,
I'm
you're the guy who
just
makes
gonna.
sure-
I'm the guy that keeps shit in order,
you know.
and that's it, Woody. If you love your ex so fucking much, why'd you pawn it in the first fucking place?
The fuck?
Huh?
I didn't pawn it, asshole. It was stolen from my...
So get
Hola.
the fuck out of my sight. Hit the bricks. See you later.
Uh-oh.
Hey, what's going on here?
The fucking hell?
Christ. And this fucking guy, too?
Are you kidding me? It was here. It was right fucking here. What did you do with it?
How the fuck do I know?
Listen, you bald little dipshit. You're gonna...
Uh-oh.
You piece of shit.
¡Oh! Ok, retener al leñador. ¿A quién retengo? Al
I'm gonna
leñador, ¿no?
Rip your fucking lungs out.
Uh-oh.
Pull it, Woody.
Back off, dog. This doesn't concern you.
No soy perro,
We
soy
don't need
gato.
the business office involved in this.
Oye, ¿qué carajo te pasa?
What is your fucking problem? Just stay out of my way, all right?
Nope.
How you feeling today, Sheriff?
¡Wow!
Still
Ok.
looking for whoever killed them hookers? Or are you done chasing your tail?
¡Carajo! Oh, ok. Dale en el culo al tipo.
Oh, yeah. Who'd you give it?
¡Mátalo nomás! Detenerlo, dejarlo. Dejarlo por hijo de su mamá.
God damn it. Go sniff around somewhere else. Woody? What?
¿Qué pasó? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, esto no es bueno. Upsi, dupsi. Ok, esto no es bueno. ¡Au, au, au! ¿Qué hago? ¿Lo detengo? Ok. ¡Oh! ¡Patada en el culo! Ups. Se enojó.
Too bad you couldn't protect those whores. Go on, try to
Uh-oh. Ok, chicos, vamos a dejar este capítulo hasta acá. No sé cuánto va a durar el capítulo, la cámara se me cortó y tuve que volver a cargarlo, pero creo que duró bastante el capítulo. Está bastante interesante la historia, ya sé que a muchos no les gusta la historia como dije al principio de este video, pero a mí me encanta y creo que a muchos de ustedes también les gusta, así que voy a seguir jugando el juego hasta terminarlo. Si más o menos jugamos capítulos de 30 minutos o de 40 minutos, faltarían más o menos unos 2 o 3 capítulos para terminar la serie y ya quedar listos con esta serie. Así que nada, chicos, denle me gusta a este video si todavía están motivados con esta serie y suscríbanse que subo yo todos los días. Nos vemos para el siguiente capítulo. Bye bye. Así como que, ay, o sea, yo no tomo té sin mi dedo abajo, ok, o sea. Como podrán ver, hay una delicada línea entre ser metalero y ser educado. Por ejemplo, en este momento estamos siendo muy educados con nuestro dedo arriba y en cualquier momento... ¡Oh, metal!